What's up, dude?
So, Dad?
I got Jack, my main man, Johnson. We're going to talk portable power. What do you think?
Let's get started.
This is Bold North Outdoors. You know, Bold North has been a partner of the UPL now for a couple of years, and they provide these portable power solutions, these portable power packs, where you can take these with you and have really power anywhere to charge devices, power lights, you know, give you that peace of mind. I keep one in my truck all year round. This 300 series sits in my truck literally the entire time, from January to January. In the boat, we've used it in the boat, we've used it in the fish house, we've used it at the cabin, we've used it camping, we've used it all kinds of ways. So wanted to do a quick rundown of this product line and maybe how it can benefit you, and then unveil something new. This is a new product for Bold North Outdoors that I don't think anyone's really seen yet. So we're pretty excited to show this one off. So for starters, this one up here, the big kahuna, happens to be the 300 series. And there's a 300 series, a 200 series, a 100 series. And the big difference between the 300 and the 200 is on the 300, you can see we have these RAM balls. So you can mount your Vexilar, your GPS, whatever you might want to mount, your underwater camera. So the 200 does not have these RAM balls, the 300 does. Now, what all comes in the 2 and the 300? Well, you have your various power switches and toggle switches. You have one to turn on your 112 volt cigarette lighter port. You can see that lit up nice and neat blue. You know that's active power. That's what's cool about this. You know that it's active because if I turn this off, that light goes off. Turn this on, I know I got power. So I can plug in a variety of accessories into that and charge things, power things, whatever it might be. You have another one for your double USB port on this side. Again, if I turn that light off, that light goes off. I turn it on, you know I got active power to that. Now I can charge cell phones. We can watch a number of different things. You can power things. So you got 2 USB ports on this side in the 2 and the 300. And then when you activate one of these other switches, boom, I got light. This is super bright. We're playing around the other day at home, pitch black in the living room, and it lit up the entire living room. So you got 2 super powerful LED lights that flood a pretty good area by the flick of a switch. And then you have UV, charge your jigs, give you a different light. So now you can charge your jigs off this as well. Works exceptionally well when you're trying to hit those nighttime crappies, nighttime walleyes. So you have those features. So you have cigarette lighter port, double USB, you have your double LED light and your UV light, your RAM balls on the 300 series, and then you have 2 leads here to attach additional accessories or charge the system. These things are built super tough. I put these things through the ringer. On the inside of them, you have a very intricate design for wiring. Everything's watertight, everything's well built. I run an amped battery on the inside of here, and away I go. I can have power an entire weekend. In fact, we've done that. We've gone to Mille Lacs Lake with all of us, 3 boys running devices, powering out this thing for an entire weekend. So that's the 300 and the 200 series. When you jump down to the 100 series, you can see smaller profile, a bunch of the same bells and whistles. You have your leads, your cigarette port there, your double USB, and then it has all your bells and whistles the same way. So the 100, 200, 300 for the most part are the same, smaller profile. You can fit 1 battery in this. In the 2 and the 3, you can do 2 batteries and jump in unison if you wanted to. So those are the 3 options that have been out there for a while and work great as power sources. Let's talk some accessories before we show off the new product. What do you think? What do you want to show off the new product?
Let's show off the new product.
So there's a brand new box for this year. Tell them about it, Jack.
So this is the 50, and it's a perfect size for just some kids my age, and Christmas is just around the corner. So if you guys want a present for a kid that loves ice fishing, or even filming YouTube videos like I do, and I've been struggling filming those videos. I haven't made one in a long time. So like I said, very light. Put your amp battery in there. Mine's labeled because I probably wouldn't be able to like find any of the buttons. So main turns it on. Almost the same thing as the 200, 300, 100, but there's just 1 USB port. And in accessories, actually, one of my favorites is, there's a bunch of them, but something that really helps me with filming and charging my phone is a splitter. And this will show you plugs into your one USB port and makes it 2. So I can charge my phone and my GoPro at the same time. So that's one really good accessory that probably will help me a lot. This ice fishing and next opener. You have USB, this turns this on, and lights, another accessory. This one is very bright, so if I'm staying in a nice house over the night and I don't want to turn on all the lights, I can just, little hanger, you can, let's see, where's this? Wait, oh yeah, I got two on. Turn on USB, don't forget to do that. Very bright.
That is bright.
Hang that up right on your bucket or something. It should light out the whole ice house or whatever you're fishing. And this, you may think, just a USB. No, this thing's powerful, guys. Here we go. So this, with just a little USB, lights up. Just plug it into your USB port, and it should light up just as much room as you need for your ice house or wherever you're fishing. Bunch of cool accessories for this box, very light. So like I said, Christmas is just around the corner, so really good idea for presents this year for your son or daughter who likes to fish or even film videos. So this is probably one of my favorite boxes I'm going to be using a lot. So you got anything to add?
So this thing's got an amped battery in there. That doesn't weigh much at all. So you can throw this in your backpack. You can carry this wherever you want, and you have portable power. So you can kind of see the size comparison here. There's the 100 behind that, and then you got the 2 and the 300 behind that. So it just keeps going down in size, still packed with features and super cool. And all the accessories that Jack showed off here, you got the light stick, you have the splitter, you have the dome light, which also can come with a 4-foot extension. So you can put this on the roof of your hub house inside to light up the entire hub house. All these accessories are available on Bold North Outdoors as well. So you can get all this stuff to trick out your portable power pack for a day on the ice, a day in the permanent fish house, take into the cabin. So these are year-round things. I know we're talking ice fishing specifically here with some of these applications, but I'll tell you what, as outdoors men and women, we use this stuff all the time. Like I said, we live and die by having that portable power. We're always on our devices. We're always finding ways to charge things. You don't realize how much you need one until you realize you need one. So 300, 200, 100, the brand new 50 series should be out now or within days on the boldnorthoutdoors.com website. And this is a great gift for that younger kid in the family, somebody looking for an easy portable power solution, and away they go. So we're excited to play with these. I can't wait to let you go to battle on this, and now you have no excuse to film tons of YouTube videos on the ice. So boldnorthoutdoors.com, check them out. We're excited to have them as another partner of the UPL for another season. This is how we power our entire weigh station during the UPL weigh-in. So if you see one of these on our table, that's what we're doing. You're going to see Thane running around with these, going live on Facebook. He's using these systems to power his phone, to power mics, to do that kind of stuff. They have given us a solution to having power wherever we go. So boldnorthoutdoors.com, check them out and take a look at some of these power options.